Alright friends, so welcome to a new video on Win vs Droid, and these three packets arrived today, that's 12th January from AliExpress, as you can see. So let's unbox them one by one. This thing looks like an adapter, but I would have to cut it open to see which one. That's it. Okay, so this is let me show you, USB-C kind of adapter, and on this side it's a micro USB female port, and over here you have a USB-C type connector. It's, I think it's blue color, so maybe it would be a USB 3.1, not sure. I need to check the product page and then I'll come back. So this is the product page, and you can see it's a micro USB to USB 3.1 type C data cable, data adapter. You can use it for OnePlus 2 or MacBook or all the latest smartphones that come with USB type C. And when I purchased, I ordered this thing on December of 12th, so it took exactly 1 month to arrive, and the price I paid was $0.69. Now it's $0.66. That's approximately 45 rupees with free shipping to India. This is how it looks. Nothing else, I guess. Some micro USB male to USB 3.1 OTG female. That's wrong. It's a micro USB female to USB 3.1 male, and it's compatible with devices that come with the type C connector. That's all inside. So let's get back to the product itself. Let's check the weight of this tiny little thing. Just 1 gram, lol. And it's quite tiny, similar to this adapter, micro USB to lightning adapter, that I had purchased some time back. A bit bigger in size, and since it's so small, so tiny, you would have to be very careful while using this, as you may easily misplace it somewhere and then it's gone. So in case you have a smartphone or any other gadget that comes with USB type C port, then you can easily use this for charging and maybe data syncing and all that purpose. Since I don't have a smartphone that comes with USB type C, I won't be able to demonstrate the working, but that's it. In case you are planning to buy it, then go and purchase it from AliExpress. That's where you get for cheap. While in India, if you go to buy one of these, maybe the official one from OnePlus One, then you would have to pay at least 300 rupees. That's around $5, while this comes less than $1. So do check it out, guys. That's it for now for the unboxing video, and thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day, guys.